Today I'll show you how to draw a Pikachu. So when I look at Pikachu, I think the body is made out of 3 circles. The first one is the most circle looking. The second one is a bit of a squashed oval. And the third one is another one of these oval shaped. So if it helps you, just feel free to draw these. And then what we're starting to do is we're drawing a head. So the head is more of a bit narrower from the top, and then Pikachu's got these chubby cheeks. Then we add some ears. There we go. And there we go. So that's the ears done. Then around halfway down the head, we draw 2 circles for eyes and add little dots. We're gonna make those white later on. Then we do a little nose and a happy mouth here. There we go. And because it's Pikachu, we need red, lovely cheeks. So we draw some semicircles there, where we will color later on red. Then we move on to arms. So you use the second oval shape that you made to help draw the line of the arm and the shoulder, and then 4 fingers. Then we move on to doing the bottom side of the body, and again let's make that a little bit wider than the upper oval, and then legs. Then the last part is doing a jackety tail. Here we go. There. Then we move on to coloring and drawing lines on Pikachu. So we take a black pen, reasonably narrow and sharp. There we go. Okay, that pen is not working very well. Let's take a better one. At least let's hope this is a better one. Let's try. Okay, that looks much sharper. There we go. And what we do now is we go through all of Pikachu and draw the final outlines. Also do some coloring, so the tips of the ears and the eyes need coloring at this point. You work through all the face, and now that we are getting the eyes done, the Pikachu is gonna start look more alive. There we go, one eye done. And here comes another one. There we go. A little nose, and then going through drawing the mouth. That looks perfect. Happy little Pikachu. And there we go. Outline is ready. Now we can start coloring. So there's quite a lot of yellow here to color. So this will take some time. Let's color everything, and because I want to make sure that the color don't get muddled with the black, I'm being super careful with the edges here. Then as the final touches, we will do the rest of the colors. Now that all the yellow is done, Pikachu is really starting to look like a Pikachu now. So the next color is gonna be the chubby cheeks red. And after that, we shall move on to the tail. So it's a little bit of brown at the bottom of the tail. Do that next. And then there's only the mouth missing. Let's start with the tongue. And we'll finish it off with a dark brown. And there we go. We have our Pikachu. Hope you enjoyed.